both ears, and it might be a bit overwhelming at first. I'll say the days of the week again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. How does it sound? Just be careful, you're not going to knock them on. Can you hear my voice coming through both sides?
Yeah. Sound very high.
Very high. It will sound high-pitched at first. Your brain will readjust it for you.
Okay.
It won't always sound that way. It's all right. It's a big, big, life-changing day today. Can you hear your own voice? Good.
Sounds very, very strange.
Yes, it will do. Oh, you've done so well, Joanne. It's such a huge thing that you've just achieved. You should be really proud of yourself. It's just been fantastic.
Right. Smile.
Well done. It is a wow moment. It is.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Can you hear yourself speaking?
Yeah. It's more you.
Yeah.
But like I said, it sounds very, very high pitched.
It does at first. It won't stay high pitched. It won't stay like that.
Yeah.
I'm going to say the months of the year.
Okay.
I want you to tell me how the volume is, both sides. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Could you hear those words?